the new ball here, and he'll get 2 overs, and down the other end Shoaib will get 1. And that one does swing away, but stays quite low, and the batsman moving around, trying to get his legs moving. And that's a little bit better. That's on line, no third man, so that'll go to the boundary for 4. And that one swung as well, hit the outside edge, and I think that's where they need an extra fieldsman. Oh, there's another one in the air, and that's it, got him. Beautifully bowled, short delivery, and first ball, Wisden is out, caught by Afridi, I think it was. He was brought into that position. I was suspected they needed one in there, and of course he's taken the catch, and this is a great start for the Pakistanis. It's a hard time for Sri Lanka, and they may lose another one yet. They've got a little bit to go yet.
Well, that was a superb catch and a great ball. Superb catch by Shahid Afridi. He's one of the best fielders in the Pakistani side. That's what you were talking about. The ball which moves away, that ball came really quick. And Wisden have no idea at all. He has to play that ball. He's out for a duck. Sri Lanka 5 for 1.
Chaminda Voss is the new batsman. Ball in, it's beautifully bowled, clean ball, stumps all over the place. Wasim Akram's on fire. These Pakistanis, when they have one of these little spells, Wasim Akram in particular, boy, they are deadly dangerous. They're dancing in the aisles here in Dhaka. This is a fantastic over from Wasim Akram. 2 wickets in the first over, and the Sri Lankans are really in trouble now. Well, Voss, he wouldn't have enjoyed that little stint as night watchman.
As expected from Wasim Akram, firework. He only had to bowl 1 more over, and he has no idea at all, Voss, and the stump is broken now. Just have a look. Went to the back foot and threw him, and broken stump.
Mahela Jayawardena, just 21 years of age. So 9 for 2, and Wasim Akram ready to go. He's got fielders everywhere, and don't forget he's on a hat-trick. And what a day this will be if he manages to get it. The crowd are ready for him. We've already seen 2 double centuries. Wasim Akram shining the ball. On strike, Jayawardena, the right-hander. Akram's on his way to him now. Can he do it again? Oh, he's had a go at that one, and he's got it. Yes, he's got it. Wasim Akram's got another hat-trick. This is unbelievable. What a day for Pakistan. An unbelievable day for the record books. 2 double centuries in the day, and Wasim Akram has got a hat-trick. Well, it's absolutely unbelievable. Well, he's got hat-tricks in consecutive matches. I would venture to say that he's the only man ever to have done that. And I can tell you now that there's only one Asian ever to have taken a hat-trick, and now he's taken 2. So this is just unbelievable, Sikandar.
But that's a great day for Pakistan cricket. 2 double hundreds and a hat-trick in a day for Wasim Akram. Is the man who deserves it. Really the greatest fast bowler ever produced by Pakistan. And he did it again in the 2nd test match. And he's the only a drive outside the off stump straight to Wasti, and Wasti made no mistake.
Well, this is an unbelievable scene. What a player he is. Wonderful cricketer, and a swing bowler superb. Another hat-trick, and boy, that's brought us